Okay, so I'm just going to show you a super duper quick little Valentine's card that you can do. Again, I used my cardstock. I used my masking tape to tape a frame around the front. I have a straw, and I have my number 12 round brush, and I have my coarse watercolors. Just have them in a tin here, and I'm gonna go and make myself a big juicy puddle of this red, and then I am going to draw with water. Make sure you don't have any drips on the handle here. With water, I'm just going to draw a heart. I'll use some dirty water, maybe you can see it a little bit better. See? I'm not going to worry so much about the bottom. You'll see why. Kind of like there. That's a nice little heart. Hope you can kind of sort of see it. Alright, so let's take our nice juicy brush here. Pigment on here. Let's get our straw and tip it a little bit, and then go the other way here. Alright, and there's our little heart. How cute is that? Okay, it's almost dry, not quite, but almost. So I just wanted to peel off the tape so you can see. Be careful here on the deckled edges. And if you want to do it on your Arches watercolor paper, it's going to behave a little bit better than it did on this paper, but it still works just fine. And I like having those little tapes around. I got a little splatter on there, but I'm not going to worry about it. I think this is a cute little Happy Valentine's card with just simple, and then here just fold it over like this. And then you can write your little greeting inside. And I'm not the greatest at doing calligraphy, but let me find a gel pen and see what I can come up with. So I found one of my little Signo, Uniball Signo gel pens, and this is the gold. I like that one. I think that would look nice. I'll take a little piece of paper here. Yeah, just to make sure that it's working. It's working. So, in my best handwriting, I will write Happy Valentines. I'll do that down here. And if you're good at calligraphy or have a nice handwriting, I think this is fine. I'm going to give that to Alana. She's my neighbor's daughter. She's the one that handles my mail. And my plants when I'm gone. And then I write her a nice little note in here. And then it's handmade, and it didn't take me very long. And you know, these hearts here, they're really fun to make also. If you can dab in a couple of different colors and then just kind of blow them. If you don't have a straw, you can just do it with your mouth. But it's a little easier to direct the blow if you have a straw. So there you have it. Happy Valentine's Day to you from me.